What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an upcoming video. If you want to see videos one day earlier than YouTube, make sure you go follow me on Facebook as I post my videos there one day earlier. Let's get right into this week's news. There's a brand new Hot Wheels Premium Retro Entertainment set hitting stores right now, including the Deadpool Chimichanga truck, the Back to the Future Time Machine, the Batman TV series Batmobile, the Dark Knight Batman Lamborghini Aventador Coupe, and the Ghostbusters Ecto 1. And here are some really good close-up pictures of a brand new up-and-coming casting, the Honda Prelude. We expect to see this one up-and-coming in the next one or two cases. Another Honda that is coming out is the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This is a brand new recolor of it with some big Type R graphics on the side of it. One of the most popular character car sets is the Minecraft set, and it is being re-released again, but this time with an addition to it. The cars that are included in this set are Creeper, Enderman, Skeleton, Iron Golem, Spider, Zombie, and the newest edition, Ocelot. This should be hitting stores very soon, so make sure you go and pick it up. If you're a Hot Wheels ID collector, then here are 4 more new additions to the set, including the Volkswagen T1 GTR, the 2019 Acura NSX, the 2017 Nissan GTR R35, and Roger Dodger. These should be available on Amazon very soon. Do you like weekly Hot Wheels news? Let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. One of the most interesting up-and-coming castings for the 2020 Hot Wheels mainline is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon. This release should be coming up in one of the future 1 or 2 cases, but until then, we did get a release of it in a special edition package for the San Diego Comic-Con 2019. Check out these cool pictures of it. I really can't wait to see this one in the main lines. And as always, we do a weekly deal of the week, and this week's Hot Wheels deal of the week is the Hot Wheels 10-pack on Amazon. The really cool thing about this 10-pack is it's an exclusive release for Amazon, so you're gonna get 1 or 2 vehicles that are not released in store, so it's definitely worth checking out. The styles do vary, so when you order it, you don't know exactly which ones you're gonna get, but that really makes it surprising and fun. If you want to pick up this 10-pack, check it out in the first link in the description box below. RLC Club members were recently able to pick up the complete 2019 Hot Wheels set, which includes 455 cars for a price of $549.99. This included all of the basic mainline series, including 50 new models, 15 treasure hunts, 15 super treasure hunts, 6 Hot Wheels Collector's Edition promotional cars, Walmart Zamax, Target Red Editions, Kmart exclusive color variations, Kroger exclusive color variations, GameStop exclusive color variations, Walgreens exclusive color variations, and all the color variations of the basic mainlines. There was only 1,000 boxes of these produced, and they are already all sold out. If you really want to get your hands on one of these sets, I'm sure you could pick one up on eBay very soon, but in my opinion, it's just much more fun to collect each of these cars in stores, as that's part of the Hot Wheels hunt. One of the most anticipated re-release castings for 2020 is the Koenigsegg Agera R. This one we previously saw at the Hot Wheels convention, but now there are pictures of it in the Hot Wheels Premium Boulevard series. Here it is in white with black on the sides of it and blacked out wheels. The set also includes the Nissan Silvia, the Porsche 356, the Chevrolet Camaro, and this Chevy pickup truck with a surfboard in the back of it. This Koenigsegg is going to be highly sought after and collectible, so if you see it in stores, make sure you pick it up. You are now up to date in this week's world of Hot Wheels news. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.